Imagine this. A customer visits your website seeking assistance. They receive instant support, personalized answers to their queries, and fast decisions on their requests. It feels incredibly efficient, almost magical. But later, they discover that every interaction was entirely automated, handled by artificial intelligence. Now ask yourself, would they feel genuinely impressed by your business's cutting-edge technology? Or would they feel misled, perhaps even a little betrayed? Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming the landscape for small businesses, offering unprecedented opportunities for growth and efficiency. But at the heart of this transformation lies a critical factor: trust. Trust determines whether embracing AI becomes a significant advantage for your business or a costly liability that alienates your customer base. Today, we delve deep into how small businesses can harness the power of AI responsibly, transparently, and ethically, all while strengthening invaluable customer loyalty. 1. Why ethical AI is a business strategy. AI adoption is not just a trend, it's growing rapidly across all sectors. According to McKinsey's Global AI Survey, over half of organizations worldwide now utilize AI in at least one business function. Small businesses, in particular, stand to gain immensely from automation through significant cost reduction, streamlined and faster operations, and enhanced scalability. However, this rapid adoption comes with its own set of challenges. Research from PwC's Trust in AI report reveals that many consumers harbor deep concerns about the fairness, privacy, and transparency of AI systems. Can you truly imagine investing in automation that promises to save money, but in doing so, quietly erodes the very credibility and trust you've worked so hard to build with your customers? Ethical AI is not about shying away from technology or resisting innovation. On the contrary, it is about strategically implementing AI in a manner that customers can fully understand, confidently trust, and ultimately embrace. It's about building a future where technology serves humanity, not the other way around. 2. Transparency builds confidence. The foundation of ethical AI is built upon clear, unambiguous communication. If your business employs chatbots for customer service, make it explicitly clear from the outset. If your product recommendations are generated by an automated algorithm, explain the process to your customers. Studies published in the Journal of Business Ethics demonstrate that transparency significantly enhances customer perceptions of fairness and builds stronger relationships. People do not inherently reject automation when it's beneficial and clearly communicated. What they truly reject is the feeling of being deceived or manipulated. Ask yourself this crucial question. If your customer possessed a complete and honest understanding of how your AI systems operate, would they still feel comfortable and confident engaging with your business? Or would they feel uneasy? 3. Keep humans in the loop. Automation should always serve as a powerful support system for humans, not as a means to eliminate accountability or human connection. Groundbreaking research from MIT highlights that hybrid human AI systems frequently outperform purely automated systems, especially in critical customer-facing roles. Why is this the case? Because empathy, nuanced understanding, and genuine human connection still matter immensely. Small businesses have a unique opportunity to leverage this by providing human escalation options. Always offer a clear path for customers to connect with a human representative when complex issues arise, or when they simply prefer a personal touch. Reviewing automated decisions. Regularly audit and review decisions made by AI systems to ensure fairness, accuracy, and alignment with your business values. Monitoring AI systems regularly. Continuously monitor AI performance for biases, errors, or unexpected behaviors, and be prepared to intervene and adjust as needed. Would you personally trust a business that offers absolutely no human contact or recourse? Most earning customers would undoubtedly hesitate, and rightly so. 4. Data responsibility is non-negotiable. At its core, AI relies heavily on data. However, the misuse or mishandling of this data can instantly and irrevocably destroy trust. The IBM Cost of a Data Breach report underscores the severe and long-term reputational damage that businesses suffer after incidents of data misuse. To safeguard trust and maintain integrity, small businesses must adhere to strict data responsibility principles. Collect only necessary data. Be judicious and collect only the data that is absolutely essential for the AI system's intended purpose. Minimizing privacy risks. Explain how data is stored and used. Clearly communicate your data storage practices, how data is processed, and for what specific purposes it will be utilized. Avoid unnecessary automation. Do not automate processes that involve sensitive data if a human touch can provide better security or build more trust. Use secure systems. Implement robust cybersecurity measures to protect customer data from breaches and unauthorized access. Trust is an incredibly fragile asset, painstakingly built over time but easily shattered. Is the pursuit of efficiency truly worth risking the very foundation of your customer relationships? 5. Set clear expectations. No AI system, no matter how advanced, is entirely perfect. Ethical businesses embrace this reality and openly acknowledge the limitations. If your chatbot is designed to handle only routine inquiries and cannot manage complex cases, communicate this clearly to your users. If your product recommendations are probabilistic and not guaranteed, clarify this nuance. Transparency in setting expectations significantly reduces customer disappointment and fosters a sense of honesty. Conversely, overpromising and under-delivering inevitably leads to backlash and damages your brand. Can you envision a scenario where customers genuinely appreciate your honesty about AI's capabilities, rather than being frustrated by exaggerated or misleading claims? Case study: transparent automation in practice. Consider the success of e-commerce platforms like Shopify. They openly and clearly explain how their AI tools assist merchants in managing their stores, optimizing sales, and enhancing customer experiences. They provide comprehensive documentation and support guidelines that empower merchants to and effectively use these tools. Consequently, customers interacting with businesses on Shopify understand that automation serves as a powerful assistant. It augments, rather than replaces, human decision-making and interaction. This level of clarity and openness builds profound long-term trust within their ecosystem. Compare this approach to companies that attempt to hide their automation, only to face severe backlash and reputational damage once customers inevitably discover the deception. Transparency is not just good practice, it actively protects and enhances brand equity. 6. Ethical AI creates competitive advantage. According to Edelman's Trust Barometer, trust stands as one of the most potent drivers of brand loyalty in today's market. Small businesses, by their very nature, cannot compete with the sheer scale and resources of large corporations. However, they possess a unique advantage. They can absolutely compete and win on credibility and authentic connection. Embracing ethical AI practices directly translates into tangible business benefits. Increased customer retention. Customers who trust your AI are more likely to remain loyal. Enhanced brand reputation. A reputation for ethical AI attracts new customers and partners. Reduced complaints, clear communication, and human oversight minimize misunderstandings and dissatisfaction. Sustainable growth. Trust fosters a stable customer base, leading to consistent and ethical business expansion. Remember, trust is not a static element. It compounds and grows exponentially over time, becoming an invaluable asset. Final reflection. In our rapidly evolving digital age, technology moves at an astonishing pace. Yet trust, that most human of qualities, moves slowly and deliberately. AI offers incredible potential to increase efficiency and streamline operations. But it is transparency above all else that truly increases loyalty and builds enduring relationships. The most successful small businesses in the AI era will not necessarily be the most automated or technologically advanced. They will, without a doubt, be the most trusted. Ask yourself one final critical question. Is your automation invisible and potentially deceptive, or is it responsibly visible, fostering transparency and confidence? If you are eager for more structured business lessons on leveraging technology,
developing effective strategies, and achieving ethical growth in the modern economy, be sure to subscribe for our next insightful episode.